Hello boys and girls, nice to see you again. Well, today I'm going to read another story about Meg and Mog, our favourite witch, and her cat. And this story is called Meg, Mog and Og. But I wonder who Og is. We're going to find out when we read the story. The story is by Helen Nicholl and the pictures are by Jan Pieńkowski. Let's have a look inside and find out who Og is. Meg, Mog and Og. Oh, look, that looks like Og, but it looks like a blue woolly mammoth. Good heavens! And he's eating, is that spaghetti or noodles? Well, I didn't know that woolly mammoths like noodles. Meg was making Bubble and Squeak. She doesn't look very happy. Mog and Owl were having a bat hunt. Oh dear, it looks very busy in the house. Splat! A bat fell in the pot. Oh dear, that is the final straw, shouted Meg. She went red and pulled her hair. She's very angry. We need more room, she shouted. So Meg made a spell. Cabbage and onion, cavern and canyon, bucket and broom, a big new room. And look, Meg, Mog and Owl fell through the floor into a cave. Boing! The cauldron hit Meg on the head. I hope she's all right. This is perfect, said Meg. And look, Meg put the cauldron on the fire. She swept out the rubbish. Who lives here? Said Owl. Wow, a stone arrow, said Mog. I wonder who uses a stone arrow. I'll get these off in a jiffy, she said. And Meg started to sweep. There were drawings on the wall. I wonder who did those. Very interesting. Then there was a noise. Og. What's that noise? A prehistoric man came in. He said, Who are you? Meg said Meg. Mog said Mog. Owl said Owl. And they all said, Who are you? The woolly mammoth said, Og. I'm Crom. The woolly mammoth said, Og. Crom had caught a woolly mammoth. Meg said, Who's this? And Crom said, Dinner. Well, that's a big meal. No, have some of our dinner, said Meg. Smells good. Do you remember what Meg had made? Crom liked Bubble and Squeak. They all did. And even Og did too. Slurp. So did Og. Well, is he going to eat anything else? Look, Og liked dumplings, roly-poly pudding, pie and mash, and oodles of noodles. Every night they slept on the floor, drip, plink, snore. It was very cold. They decided to go home. Toodaloo, shouted Meg. Og, shouted Og. They went to bed. Can you see they're sleeping? But Owl's opened an eye. What's that noise? Look, coming in through the window, that looks like Og's trunk. And he's put it in the cauldron. I wonder what's in the cauldron. Could be some food. Goodbye, they're all saying. And look, there are some other Meg and Mog stories we might read again. And here's the back cover, Meg, Mog and Og. There's the back and front cover. And you can see there are bats and there's Og. And here's the front cover. Meg, Mog and Og. Well, that was another super story about our favourite witch. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you again soon. Goodbye.